Welcome to another audio episode of Environmental Conscience, the education channel regarding our environmental problems and how to solve them. If you want to get notified when new audio lessons are published, please click the subscribe button. In this lecture, we are talking about the pros and cons of road trips. You can also find the related article to the lecture in the video description if you want to study this topic in more detail. Road trips have become quite popular over the past decades. In fact, many people all over the world enjoy road trips in order to escape from their boring daily lives from time to time. Apart from the many advantages of road trips, there are also some issues related to them. The pros and cons of road trips are discussed in the following. Advantages of road trips. Road trips can make you grow in character. One key advantage of road trips is that you can really grow in character during this time. In fact, you will have to organize everything on your own and you will also have to take care of every problem that might arise. Sure, you will also have your buddies around you who can also take care of certain things. However, especially if you spend your time off the beaten track, there can be many unexpected problems with which you have to deal with in order to get back home. All those experiences can really allow you to grow in character and to develop your skill set further. Road trips can be fun. Road trips can also simply be quite a lot of fun. In fact, if you are on the road with your favorite people, you can have a blast. In fact, what is better than spending your time with your favorite people at a location you have chosen by yourself? Hence, if you are really looking for an opportunity to spend your time in a joyful manner, road trips can definitely be the way to go for you. You can strengthen the connection to your friends. Since you will spend so much time together with your friends in the car, chances are that you will also be able to strengthen your connection with each other. In fact, if you make all these experiences together, chances are that you will be able to establish a much deeper connection with each other. In turn, these connections can not only help you from a friendship perspective, they can also be extremely valuable regarding future job opportunities since your road trip friends can help you getting into the companies they are currently working for. Road trips give you the opportunity to unplug from your daily life. Another upside of road trips is that you can just unplug from your daily life for a while. Many people feel quite bored over time with their normal lives and urgently search for ways to escape it from time to time. Thus, if you are one of those people who secretly hates his or her life back home, road trips can be a great way to unplug from this sad life for a while, and you may even be able to figure out what you really want to do with our life during your road trip since you will have plenty of time thinking about those topics. Great way to spend some time with your male friends. From time to time, you may also have enough from your girlfriend or your wife and may just want to spend your time with your male friends. Especially if you have problems with your girlfriend or in your marriage, chances are that you want to talk to your male friends about it and find a solution to those problems. Road trips can be a great way to do so since you can just make a male road trip and don't have to take your wives with you. By doing so, you can talk about your partnership problems with your male friends who may already have experienced the same problems, and you may be able to find solutions to those problems during road trips. Road trips can help you relax. Road trips can also be a great tool to relax from your stressful daily life. In fact, many people in our nowadays society are quite stressed since they often work in a demanding job for long hours while they also have to manage their family life at the same time somehow. If you are one of those stressed people who urgently need a break, chances are that road trips are an optimal way to take some days off and to spend it far away from all the problems you have to face in your normal life. In turn, chances are that you can reload your batteries and that you come back home much more relaxed and ambitious to tackle the challenges that might lie ahead of you. You can spend your time off crowded tourist spots. Another benefit of road trips is that you can spend your time off the beaten track. This allows you to avoid crowded tourist destinations and you can spend your time in a much more quiet and authentic environment. Hence, if you don't want to do the common touristic things and rather want to spend your time at local spots, chances are that road trips can also help you out quite a lot in this regard. You can spend your time in nature. If you really love nature, chances are that road trips are the way to go for you. In fact, if you go on a road trip, you are free to drive wherever you want to drive and you can choose routes that allow you to spend your time in natural environments. Moreover, you can also sleep in natural environments. You may want to go camping in natural spots or also do some hiking. All this is possible through road trips, and therefore, road trips can give you a great opportunity to reconnect to nature and where we as humans originally come from. Road trips can be a great adventure. Road trips can also be quite adventurous. Many times, you will have no idea where you will actually go to and what will lie ahead of you. In fact, in many cases, the roads will be quite bad and you will have to alter your driving behavior quite a lot in order to stay safe. Moreover, you may also be able to see wild animals like bears, moose, or other animals, depending on which location you choose for your road trip. Consequently, if you are an adventurous guy who really loves new experiences, chances are that road trips are for you. You have time to talk about important things. Every one of us also experiences difficult times in life sooner or later. If this is the case for you right now, you may also need people who you can talk to about your problems. A great way to do so is to go on a road trip and to spend some time with your friends. During those road trips, you will have enough time to talk about your problems, and chances are that you will feel much better after you talked about what currently bothers you with other people. Feeling of freedom. Many people also experience a great level of freedom during their road trips. In fact, there is hardly any type of vacation out there that gives you similar levels of freedom like road trips. If you are on the road, you are free to decide where you want to go, where you want to stay, when you want to leave, and so on. In fact, there are not too many rules during road trips and you will feel like a free human being. This can also be a great medicine for the soul, since feeling free and independent is crucial to stay healthy in an emotional manner in the long run. Can be rather cheap compared to other forms of travel. Road trips are also a rather cheap form of travel. Especially if you have a full car and take some friends with you, you can share the costs for fuel. You can also sleep in rather simple guest houses or even camp during your road trip. All this can save you plenty of money compared to going on another sort of vacation. Hence, if you are on a budget right now and don't have too much money to spend on your vacation, chances are that road trips may also be the way to go for you in this regard. You don't have to organize too much. Road trips are also quite popular since they do not require you to organize too much. In fact, you can just pack some basic things and you are ready to go. You can choose where you want to go during your trip and don't have to plan way in advance. Consequently, if you are a guy who doesn't want to plan too much in advance, chances are that road trips are suited for you. Road trips are a rather flexible sort of travel. Another chance of road trips is that they are also a quite flexible way to travel. Since you have a car, you can make detours whenever you want to do so. In fact, you will not have a strict timetable and can just do to wherever you want to go. Many people value this high level of flexibility regarding road trips quite a lot, and if you also want to stay flexible during your vacation, chances are that road trips are the way to go for you. You can change your plans while you are on the road. When you are on the road, you will also have the option to change your plans. When I did my road trip in Russia, we talked to some locals about our plans and they gave us some hints on how to change our route to get a better experience. We did so and we did not regret it at all. Hence, through long-distance travel by car, you will get the opportunity to change your plans whenever you want to. Road trips can be exciting. Road trips are also a quite exciting way to travel. In fact, you will see so many different things and make many new experiences. The exciting part about road trips is that your experiences will often be quite different from what you expected. Thus, you will never know what you will see next, and this is the thing that makes road trips really interesting. You can meet new people. You will also be able to meet many new people during your road trip. In fact, if you change your location quite often, you will get in touch with many different people in hostels or during other occasions. In turn, chances are that you will also be able to make some new friends with whom you can spend your vacations later on in your life. You can experience new ways of life. Especially if you choose rather exotic destinations for your road trip, you can also experience many different ways of life. In fact, there are plenty of ways to live your life which you are likely not even aware of right now. Hence, through road trips, you can experience these alternative ways of life and you may even change your own lifestyle in this direction. Disadvantages of road trips. Your car may break down during road trips. Even though there are many benefits of road trips, there are also some downsides to this form of travel. For example, one problem of road trips is that your car may break down. While this will be not a big deal if you are in a rather urban area, it can become a serious issue if you are far off the beaten track in the middle of the wild where you don't have any reception at all. Hence, you may have to repair your car at your own, and if you don't have proper knowledge of how to repair a car, chances are that you will be stuck for a quite long time. Hence, make sure that you always bring enough water and some canned food with you for your road trip so that you survive in case of emergency. You may get lost. Although this is rather rare in our current state of the world where we can use navigation through our smartphones, there are still some cases where people simply get lost during their road trip. In fact, especially if you travel in areas with bad reception and where are many small streets, you can drive in the wrong direction and end up in the middle of the wild. Hence, make sure that you also bring proper maps with you in order to minimize the risk to get lost during your road trip. Driving can become exhausting. Another disadvantage of road trips is that driving for long hours can also become quite exhausting over time. Especially if you are not used to driving longer distances, you may get quite tired over time and the chances that your driving will suffer increase significantly. Moreover, you will also not be able to enjoy your road trip too much if you are always exhausted due to excessive driving. Thus, make sure that you make breaks on a regular basis and that you also switch drivers from time to time so that everyone has some time off. You have the responsibility for your fellow passengers. Also be aware of the fact that you will be responsible for your fellow passengers. In fact, if you are the driver during your road trip, you will not only be responsible for your own life, but also for the lives of other people. Consequently, make sure that you drive in a safe manner in order to avoid any accidents that could potentially threaten the lives of your fellow passengers as well as your own life. Accidents are possible. Although you may take great care to drive in a safe manner, there is still a certain risk that you will get involved in a traffic accident. Other drivers may not drive as responsible as you do, and therefore, you can never be entirely sure that you are safe on our roads. Choice of foods may be limited. If you make a road trip and spend your time off the beaten path, chances are that you will also not find too many restaurants. In fact, many people bring their own canned food for road trips. While this will be sufficient to deal with your hunger, it will often not be that tasty, and therefore, make sure that you are fine with a rather limited choice and a limited quality of foods during your road trip. Road trips can be time-consuming. Depending on your destination and your overall plan, road trips can also be quite time-consuming. In fact, many people spend weeks or even months for their road trips. Hence, if you plan such a big trip, make sure that you have sufficient time for it. You may also want to speak to your boss and your family before deciding for such a road trip. You may not be prepared for adverse weather conditions. The weather can change quite fast in some regions of our planet. For instance, if there is heavy rain for many days in a row, chances are that your road trip will not be too much fun. Moreover, you may even get stuck with your car in mud due to this heavy rain. Thus, extreme weather conditions can be a significant problem during road trips. You have to find a parking spot. If you want to stop in big cities during your road trip, you may also experience difficulties with finding a parking spot. In fact, in many big cities, you will have to pay significant amounts of money for a parking spot, and you should factor this in when it comes to choosing your road trip stops. You may get stuck in traffic. Another issue with road trips is that you may simply get stuck in traffic. Especially in metropolitan areas during rush hour, chances are that you will get stuck in traffic jams quite often. In turn, you may lose plenty of time due to that, and getting stuck in traffic can also be quite annoying. You may not be back on time. If something unexpected happens during your road trip, you may also not come back home in time. While this might not be a big problem if you have enough day off from work, it can lead to serious issues in case you miss important client meetings. Hence, make sure that you have some additional days of vacation after your road trip in order to account for possible delays. Bad for our environment. While road trips are not as harmful as plane travel for our environment, they still imply the emission of significant amounts of greenhouse gases into our atmosphere if you use a conventional car for your trip, which in turn contributes to global warming and to some other environmental issues. Road trips cannot solve your problems at home. Many people also use road trips as a way to escape their problems back home. However, trying to escape your problems is often not a good idea since it makes the situation even worse most of the time. Hence, instead of going for a road trip, you may want to tackle your problems at home instead. Should you make a road trip? As we can see from the previous argumentation, there are numerous advantages and disadvantages of road trips. In my opinion, road trips can be a great way to make new experiences. However, road trips are also not for everyone. Thus, make sure that you check out all the pros and cons of road trips mentioned above in order to make a profound decision regarding whether road trips are good for you or not. If you like the audio lesson, please give a thumbs up. Moreover, please comment if you have any questions regarding this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order to get notified when future audio lessons are published.